Sa isang press conference, ibinahagi ni DOTR Secretary Dizon na nasira na ang sistema sa road safety at kinakailangan na itong ayusin kaagad dahil tumataas ng bilang ng aksidente sa bansa. Sinasabing may lalagdaan siyang department order kung saan may mandatory drug test ang mga PUV drivers.
To begin fixing this broken system of road safety. Number one, today I will sign a department order ordering mandatory drug testing for all drivers of public conveyance vehicles. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng PUV driver ay kailangan mag-mandatory drug test. And I'm very, very thankful to PIDEA who is here with us. We are joined by Deputy Director General Rene Gumban. Maraming salamat po, Director. At maraming salamat po kay Director General na short notice nagpadala po kayo ng team dito ngayon. And we will be working with them, the LTO and the LTFRB and the DOTR will be working with PIDEA to implement mandatory drug testing.
Dagdag pa niya na kinakailangang matugunan ito kaagad upang mawala ang takot ng mga tao sa sarili nating kalye.